If you go out, you come back. And you come back to an empty house. You know, and it's loneliness again. It feels as though you've been dumped in the deep end. And there's nobody there to rescue you.
This is a magnificent journey of 3 visitors. From Karangaji Villa from 3 very diverse nations. Dennis from Belgium. Susie from Netherlands. Johans from Indonesia. Getting together in an August weekend to go to the most beautiful waterfalls in West Java, in the vicinity of Karangaji Beach Villa.